ever-changing educational landscape, we have to think about preparing our students for a more audiovisual and technological world. And what we want is to have students really excel in what are the 4 C's. So that's communication, critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity. And Adobe's Creative Suite really helps us meet those 4 areas, especially with that creativity piece.
The moment that we decided to introduce Adobe tools in the classroom, it came from the classroom itself. It's when I realized that students needed more. Students needed better tools to exactly create the project that they wanted to.
I had heard about the possibilities that Adobe tools have, and I was in the middle of a unit, a tessellations drawing unit with grade 8, and I thought, why don't I try and combine what I've learned and what I know Illustrator can help me with to create a wooden puzzle. And then we used the laser cutter to burn the puzzle. So it was a pretty neat experience.
I would say that Adobe Spark would be one of the best tools for young learners, like in elementary school. It's a great way to start to learn how to edit a video.
We use Adobe Spark in school, that there's like different tools and it's all useful. I think what you have in your head, it can't be like exactly, but it could be like very close to it.
And so then there's like different tools that we use in the middle school, like Adobe Premiere Pro, in which they get some of the skills that they learned with Adobe Spark and they just take it to the next level.
The tools that we used in virtual school were Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Photoshop. I really enjoyed the project where we had to choose a song and we had to pretend we were playing those instruments and we had to have multiple of ourselves in the same room because it was very interesting and really fun to do.
I love all the projects I do. One that I'm actually still currently working on right now is one I'm using in Adobe Illustrator, where I actually am tracing out one of my swords from one of my favorite video games of all time and basically create that sword but in real life. And that's just something so incredible that I find with these softwares, because they give you the ability to expand your imagination to the point of making your imagination a reality. And that's something I always love about it.
So I've noticed many changes since we started introducing Adobe tools in the classroom. The first one is I see that students have fun. And so that for me is like super rewarding because they're having fun doing a project from the school and they're also learning at the same time. That's a teacher's dream.